Hey, Stephen Placey here with Rock Your Business, and today I want to give you my number one way that you can get a heck of a lot more appointments and customers out of any networking event that you attend. Now, I'm especially talking about those events where you get to stand up and introduce yourself, whether you have 5 seconds, 10, 15 seconds, or even a minute. My number one way to get a lot better results out of those is to make yourself unforgettable. Now, how do I do that? My number one way to make yourself unforgettable is to give everybody a piece of advice. So you can do a quick intro. Hey, I'm Stephen Placey with Rock Your Business, and I want to share with you the number one thing that you can do to do blank. So give them a piece of advice that can give everybody a quick win. Now, what's a quick win? This is some very small thing that they can do. Pick up and call somebody you haven't talked to in a long time. Send that email to someone that you haven't talked to in a long time. Get up at 5:45 instead of 6:45. Give people a piece of advice, one small thing they can do that can go get them a quick win. Because if you do that, they're going to remember who told them that. You know what this guy said? You know what this lady said today when she stood up? She said this. She gave me this piece of advice. I put it into action today, and man, it really helped me out. Remember, people buy things for two reasons: because they want to eliminate pain or cause pleasure in their business or life. So what one piece of advice that you could give people that could give them a quick win to eliminate a pain, cause a pleasure in their life or their business, and that will make you absolutely unforgettable. Again, this is stuff I teach in our Networking Rockstars course all the time, and people have seen huge results out of it. So make yourself unforgettable at these events, and it will rock your business. We'll see you soon.